10. Decimals. Hi children, denoting a system of numbers and arithmetic based on the number 10, tenth parts and powers of 10 is called decimal system. A decimal may be a terminating decimal which has a finite fractional part, example 15.600. A repeating decimal which has an infinite fractional part made up of a repeating sequence of digits. The usual decimal representation of whole numbers gives every non-zero whole number a unique representation as a finite sequence of digits beginning by a non-zero digit. People need decimals in everyday life for the most basic of tasks. In this chapter, you will learn about decimals. Chapter 10 Decimals. In the previous chapter, we learned about fractional numbers. In this chapter, we shall learn about some special fractional numbers whose denominators are 10, 100, 1000, etc. These are known as decimal fractions, or in short as decimals. Consider a strip divided into 10 equal parts. 1 by 10 is 0.1. 5 by 10 is 0.5. One shaded portion of this strip represents 1/10. The numeral for 1/10 is 1 by 10. Another way of writing the numeral 1 by 10 is 0.1. This is known as its decimal representation. Similarly, the decimal representation of 5 by 10 is 0.5. In the second strip above, the shaded portion represents the decimal 0.5. Understand the following table given in a simplified version. Fractional number, fraction, decimal number. In words, 100th, 1 by 100, 0.01, 0.01. 500ths, 5 by 100, 0.05, 0.05. 800ths, 8 by 100, 0.08, 0.08. 1400ths, 14 by 100, 0.14, 0.14. What do you observe? Fractions having 100 as the denominator can be written as decimals. Similarly, the numeral with 7 shaded parts out of 1000 parts can be written as 7 by 1000. The corresponding decimal representation of the fraction 7 by 1000 is 0.007, read as 0.007. Thus, all fractions whose denominators are either 10, 100 or 1000 can be written as decimals. Hence, we may define a decimal as a fractional number whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000, etc. Let us learn how to write fractions whose denominators are 10, 100 or 1000 as decimals. Study the following examples carefully. 182 by 10 is equal to 80 plus 2 by 10 is equal to 80 by 10 plus 2 by 10. Hence, 82 by 10 is equal to 8.2. 2. 969 by 10 is equal to 900 plus 60 plus 9 by 10 is equal to 900 by 10 plus 60 by 10 plus 9 by 10 is equal to 90 plus 6 plus 9 by 10. Hence, 969 by 10 is equal to 96.9. Do these. 1. Write the decimals for problem solving. 2. Write the fractions for problem solving. 3. Write the decimals for problem solving. 4. Write fraction or mixed numbers. Problem solving. 5. Write as mixed fraction and decimals. Problem solving. 6. Write the decimals for representation. 'Place value chart in decimal representation'. So far, we have studied the place value chart as below: 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. We can extend this chart to the left as much as we please. The decimal fractions help us to extend the place value chart to the right. Obviously, tens, hundreds and thousands come up after the unit place. These two groups are separated by a decimal point. The following chart makes the point clear. 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, decimals, tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10, 1, point, 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, 7, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 2, 7. To left, to right. Let us consider the numeral 72,354.627. The place value of each digit in the number is as follows. Digit, place value: 7, 70,000, 2, 2,000, 3, 300, 5, 50, 4, 4, 6, 0.6, 2, 0.02, 7, 0.007. The following diagram shows how symmetrical is our extended place value system of representation. The number 5.397 is the expanded form is written as 5.397 is equal to 5 plus 3 by 10 plus 9 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. Similarly, 2564 0.5624 is equal to 2000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 4 plus 5 by 10 plus 6 by 100 plus 2 by 1000 plus 4 by 10,000. Conversely, if we are given a number in the expanded form, we can write its standard numeral. Study the examples below. Example 1. 9 plus 3 by 10 plus 4 by 100 plus 1 by 1000 is same as 9.341. 2. 600 plus 30 plus 8 plus 4 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus 3 by 1000 is same as 638.413. 3. 800 plus 40 plus 6 plus 2 by 10 plus 5 by 1000 is same as 846.205. Why? It may be noticed here that we write 0 at vacant place between 2 and 5 as per the place value chart. Equivalent decimals. The shaded portion in the first case indicates 10 by 100 or 0.10. The shaded portion in the second case indicates 1 by 10 or 0.1. Obviously, both the shaded portions are the same and hence we have 0.10 is equal to 0.1. Likewise, 10 by 100, 1 by 10. 0.20 is equal to 0.2. 0.30 is equal to 0.3. 0.80 is equal to 0.8, etc. We can verify that 0.60 is equal to 0.6 using equivalent fractions. 0.60 is equal to 60 by 100 and 0.6 is equal to 6 by 10. Both indicate the same value. Hence, these two decimals are known as equivalent decimals. In other words, the fractions 60 by 100 and 6 by 10 are equivalent. Consequently, 0.60 is equal to 0.6. Supposing we have 0.600, this also has the same value and hence 0.6 is equal to 0.60 is equal to 0.600 is equal to 0.6000, etc. All these are known as equivalent decimals. Similarly, 0.7 is equal to 0.70 is equal to 0.700, 0.7000, etc. 0.2 is equal to 0.20 is equal to 0.200 is equal to 0.2000, etc. From the above, we find that putting 1, 2, 3 zeros after the extreme right non-zero digit does not change the value of the decimal. Study the table of equivalent decimals below. Decimals, their equivalents: 0.02, 0.020, 0.0200, 0.0200, etc. 0.45, 0.450, 0.4500, 0.4500, etc. 0.53, 0.530, 0.5300, 0.53000, etc. 0.80, 0.800, 0.8000, 0.80000, etc. Do these. 2. 1. Write the place value chart for each of the following. Representation. Two. Write the standard numeral. Representation. Three. Choose the equivalent decimals from the brackets. Reasoning proof. Use of decimals. Money conversion rupees to paise. We know that there are 100 paise in a rupee. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee, means 1 paise is equal to 1 by 100 of rupee. Thus, 1 paise is equal to 100th of a rupee. 1 paise is equal to 0.01 rupee. 12 paise is equal to 0.12 rupee. 50 paise is equal to 0.50 rupee. 88 paise is equal to 0.88 rupee. Note that 0.88 means 0 rupee and 88 paise. In view of the above, the amount of money given in rupees and paise can be expressed in decimal forms as follows. Rupees 3 less 75 paise is equal to rupees 3.75 is equal to 300 paise plus 75 paise is equal to 375 paise. Thus, rupees 3.75 is equal to 375 paise. Again, rupees 8.30 is equal to 800 paise plus 30 paise is equal to 830 paise. Thus, to convert rupees into paise, just remove the decimal point and the symbol rupee. Rupees 52.50 is equal to 5250 paise. Rupees 86.25 is equal to 8625 paise. Rupees 101.10 is equal to 10,110 paise, etc. To convert paise into rupees, we add the symbol rupee and simply put a decimal point after 2 digits from the right of the given number of paise. 6,210 paise is equal to rupees 62.10. 5,144 paise is equal to rupees 51.44. 19,372 paise is equal to rupees 193.72, etc. Note: suppose we wish to write 5 rupees and 5 paise, we write it as 5.05 and not 5.5. However, 5 rupees 18 paise is written as 5.18. Use of decimal notation in measurements. 1. Decimal notation in measures of length. We know that there are 100 centimeters in a meter. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Then 1 centimeters is equal to 1 by 100 of 1 meter, or 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. Likewise, 4 centimeter is equal to 0.04 meter. 12 centimeter is equal to 0.12 meter. 52 centimeter is equal to 0.52 meter. 4 meter 35 centimeters is equal to 4 meter plus 0.35 meter is equal to 4.35 meter. 10 meter 32 centimeters is equal to 10 meters plus 0.82 meters is equal to 10.82 meters. Alternatively, 325 centimeter is equal to 300 centimeter plus 25 centimeter is equal to 3.25 meters. 1863 centimeters is equal to 1800 centimeter plus 63 centimeter is equal to 18 meters plus 0.63 meter is equal to 18.63 meters. Rule 1. We can convert centimeters into meters by putting a decimal point after 2 digits from the right of the given number of centimeters. Rule 2. To convert meters and centimeters into centimeters, we remove the decimal point and replace the symbol m by cm. In the same way, we know 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer, or 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So, 1 meter is equal to 0.001 kilometer. 25 meters is equal to 0.025 kilometer. 555 meters is equal to 0.555 kilometer. 42 kilometer 323 meters is equal to 42 kilometer plus 0.323 kilometer is equal to 42.323 kilometers. Do you observe any pattern? Also, we can convert meters into kilometers. 3158 meters is equal to 3000 meters plus 158 meters is equal to 3 kilometers plus 0.158 kilometer is equal to 3.158 kilometers. Note: A. 3 kilometer and 8 meters is written as 3.008 kilometers and not 3.8 kilometer. B. 3 meters and 8 centimeters is written as 3.08 meters and not 3.8 meters. 2. Kilograms and grams in decimal form. Measures of weight. We know that there are 1000 grams in a kilogram. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. Thus, 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 of a kilogram. Thus, 1 gram is equal to 1000th part of kilogram. That is, 1 gram is equal to 0.001 kilogram. 5 gram is equal to 0.005 kilogram. 38 grams is equal to 0.038 kilogram. 136 grams is equal to 0.136 kilogram. Look at the following conversions. 2 kilogram 375 grams. is equal to 2.375 kilograms. 5 kilograms 432 grams is equal to 5.432 kilograms. 15 kilograms 520 grams is equal to 15.520 kilograms. 87 kilograms 309 grams is equal to 87.309 kilogram. Do you observe any pattern? The numeral on the left of the decimal point shows kilograms and that on the right shows grams. Alternatively, we may convert kilograms to grams. 6 kilogram 320 grams is equal to 6 into 1000 grams plus 320 grams is equal to 6000 grams plus 320 grams is equal to 6320 grams. We can also write 6320 grams as 6 kilogram 320 grams or 6.320 kilograms in decimal form. Similarly, 12 kilogram 115 grams is equal to 12.115 kilograms or 12,115 grams. Rule 1. To convert grams into kilograms, we put a decimal point after 3 digits from the right of the given number of grams. Rule 2. To convert kilograms and grams into grams, we remove the decimal point and replace the symbol kg by g. 3. Liters and milliliters in decimal forms. Measures of capacity. We know that there are 1000 milliliters in a liter. So, 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Thus, 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 of a liter. Hence, 1 milliliter is equal to 1000th part of a liter. 1 milliliter is equal to 0.001 liter. For instance, 5 milliliters is equal to 0.005 liter. 38 milliliters is equal to 0.038 liters. 92 milliliters is equal to 0.092 liter. 456 milliliters is equal to 0.456 liter. Further, 7 liters 48 milliliter is equal to 7 liters plus 0.048 liter is equal to 7.048 liters. 3 liters 325 milliliters is equal to 3.325 liters. 8 liters 596 milliliters is equal to 8.596 liters. The numeral on the left of the decimal point shows liters and that on the right shows milliliters. Hence, 4 liters 250 milliliter is equal to 4000 milliliters plus 250 milliliters is equal to 4250 milliliters. We can also write 4 liters 250 milliliters in decimal form as 4.250 liters. Thus, 4 liter 250 milliliter is equal to 4250 milliliters or 4.250 liters. Rule 1. To convert milliliters into liters, just put a decimal point after 3 digits from the right of the given number of milliliters. Rule 2. To convert liters and milliliters into milliliters, just remove the decimal point and replace the symbol L by ml. Do these 3. 1. Express in decimals. Representation. Two. Write a proper units. Representation. Three. Write the standard numerals for representation.